2022 Chrysler Pacifica windshield, driver's side windshield wiper install. This style right here, you gotta flip this flap up and pull it down. You wanna make sure when it comes down that you don't lose this arm. You wanna put it back on the windshield gently or it'll crack. 26-inch wiper. This is a different style than the first one. I'll show you how it goes on. Let me open it up. This one has a tab you'll have to move to get it in or out, or to get it out, not in. You're gonna line up the curved side with the curve of the blade, like so. We're just gonna get it in there, lined up, and then you're gonna pull it till it clicks. Just like that. And there it is. I'll put the wiper in the description below. Click the link. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Peace.